Consider the system of the linear equations 5x minus 7y equal to 17 and 3x plus 7y equal to minus 1. If A and B is a solution to the system above, A and B is a point, A is x and B is y, which of the following is a value of A? We need to get the value of x. So let's have a look about this linear equation. We have 5x minus 7y equal to 17 and 3x plus 7y equal to minus 1. So all what we will need to do is to eliminate x or y. So if we have a look here, we have minus 7y and plus 7y. So if we make addition to these two linear system, we will get the result that will say plus 5x plus 3x is equal to 8x minus 7y plus 7y, so it will be 0, and 17 plus minus 1 will be equal to 16. So from here we can get x. So if we divide by 8, we will get that x will be equal to 2. And x is a, so a will be equal to 2. Okay. Which of the following equation has exactly one solution? Let's see the first one. Here we have 5x minus 3 equal to 5x minus 3. So let's simplify this equation. We'll move 5x to the other side, so it will be minus 5x plus 5x, so it will be 0. So that means there is no solution for this one. So this is the wrong answer. Second one is the same. 5x will go to the other side with minus x, minus 5x plus 5x is 0 also. So wrong solution. 3x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 3. 3x will go to the other side with minus 3x plus 3x, 0. So there is no solution for this one. 5x minus 3 equal to 8x minus 3x. 8x minus 3x equal to 5x, and 5x will go to the other side with minus 5x plus 5x, so it will be 0. So this is not a solution. This one, we have 5x minus 3 equal to 8x minus 3. 5x will go to the other side with minus 5x, so I will get 3x, and minus 3x will go to the other side with plus 3x, plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0, so x will be equal to 0. So this is the only equation has as one solution. Below is the graph with the solution of the linear system. We have 3x plus 2y equal 12 and x minus 2y equal to 1. Which of the following is the best estimate for the solution of the given system? Okay, we have the two linear lines here. We have 3x plus 2y equal to 12 and 2y equal x minus 1. They are intersecting in this point, and if we check this point, so we have x almost 3 point something, so let's check which one. X is 3, no. X is 1.2, no. X is 3.3 or 3.2, okay. Now for y, we can see it's above 1, so we have 1.1 and 1.5, but here this point is less than 1.5, so this will not be the answer, so the answer will be 3.2 and 1.1. Now part B, fill in the blanks with the correct decimals. The exact solution of the system is B and Q. B and Q, it's a point, so P it will be X and Q will be Y. So let's solve these two equations. We have 3x plus 2y equal to 12 and 2y equal to x minus 1. So 2y with 2y, so we'll substitute 2y with x minus 1. So we'll have 3x plus x minus 1 equal to 12. So here will be 4x and minus 1 will go to the other side, will be 13. So I will have 4x equal to 13. So we'll divide by 4, so x will be equal 13 over 4, which will be equal to, we have 13 divided by 4, it will be equal to 3.25. So x will be equal to 2.35. Now we'll substitute x in any of these equations. Let's take this one. So I will have 2y equal to 3.25 minus 1. Okay, so we'll have 2y equal to 2.25 divided by 2 divided by 2. So once we make the division, it will be 1.125. So the answer will be 3.25 and 1.125. Consider the system of the linear equation x plus 3y equal to minus 4 and ax minus 6y equal to 8. Eliminate y. And then answer the following question. For what value of a, this value, constant value, the system have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solutions, that means this two lines has to be the same because they are lies on each other, so they have to be the same. This equation has to be exactly the same, this equation. So now we have here is asking to eliminate y. So we have minus 6y and 3y. To eliminate y, if we say that I can eliminate y by add these two equations together. But to eliminate y, the coefficient here of y has to be also 6. So what to do? We have to multiply this equation by 2 in the both sides. So I have 2x plus 6y equal to minus 8. And the other equation is ax minus 6y equal to 8. Now, the system to have infinitely many solutions, that means both sides, because they are the same lines. So this equation, left-hand side and right-hand side has to be 0 because they will be equal. So now let's make add for this one. We will have here 2 plus a x plus 6y minus 6y is 0. Okay, and equal minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0 also. So this side is 0 and this side has to be 0. So how I can make this side 0? That means that a has to be minus 2 because 2 minus 2 equal to 0 also. So 0 multiplied by x is 0. So a will be equal to minus 2. Okay? Now consider the system of a linear equations. 5x plus 3y equal to 12 and x minus 7y equal to 10. We have here using the elimination method. Elimination method means we need to eliminate x or y. What is the value of 38y? Okay, 38y. So here that means he wants y. So we need to eliminate x. So we'll have a look on these two equations. To eliminate x, we have to make the coefficient of x in the first equation same like the coefficient x of the second equation. So I have to multiply this equation with 5. So here I will have from this one, if I multiply by 5 both sides, so I have 5x minus 35y equal to 50, right? And the first equation I have 5x plus 3y equal to 12. So I need to eliminate x. So I will change the sign of this equation. I'll multiply by negative. So this will be negative 5x plus 35y minus 50. Now if I make the addition, so 5x minus 5x will be 0. 3y plus 35y is 38y. And this is what he wants. Will be equal to, I have minus 50 minus 12 will be equal to 38 minus 38, right? So the answer here, it will be minus 38. Now part B, if A and B, A is X and B is Y, is a solution for a system above, what is the value of A? So now here, from this solution for part A, I will divide by 38, divide by 38, so y will be equal to minus 1. So substitute y with minus 1 in any of this equation. Let's take x minus 7y equal to 10. Let's substitute y here with minus 1, so I'll have x be plus 7 equal to 10. 7 will go to the other side, so x will be equal to 3. So the answer will be 3. Consider the system of the linear equation. We have minus 5x plus 4y equal to 13 and 9x minus 5y equal to minus 8. Part A, using the elimination method, what is the value of h? 11x. 11x wants the value of 11x, and using elimination method, so that means we need to eliminate y. So we have here 4y and minus 5y. So to eliminate y, we need to multiply this equation with 5 and multiply this equation with 4 to get 20. So let's do the first one. So here we'll have minus 25x plus 20y. Okay. And we have 13 multiply 5 will be 1565. Okay. The second one we'll have multiply by 4, so we'll have 36x minus 20y will be equal to minus 32. So now I have 20y and minus 20y, so I'll make addition. So 36 minus 25, I have 11x, and this 11x what he wants. Plus 20y minus 20y is 0. So 65 minus 32, so I will have here 33. So 11x is equal to 33. Now, if part B, if A and B, this is x and y is a solution to the system above, what is the value of B? What is the value of y? So here from this one, if I divide by 11 and divide by 11, so x will be equal to 3. So now we'll take 3, x equal to 3, and substitute any of this equation. Let's take the second one. So I have 9 multiplied by 3 minus 5y equal to minus 8. This will be equal to 27 minus 5y equal to minus 8, and 27 will go to the other side. So it will be minus 5y equal to minus 35. Divide by minus 5, divide by minus 5. So y will be equal to 7. So the answer here is 7. Now use the elimination method to match each the following system of equation in column A with its corresponding numbers of solution in column B. Okay. This is the first one. I have 3y minus y equal to 1 and 2y minus 6x equal to minus 2. So this one, let's say if we divide by this equation, second equation, we'll divide by 2 and check. So we'll have y minus 3x equal to minus 1, right? And the other one, I have 3y minus y equal to 1. We'll make addition. So we have 3y minus 3y equal to 0, and y minus y equal to 0, and 1 minus plus 1 equal to 0. So 0 and 0 here, that means this equation, these two lines reside on each other or lies on each other, so it will be infinitely many solutions. Now let's take this one. I have here 3x plus y equal to minus 2 and 9x plus 3y equal to 3. So this one, let's say that if we need to eliminate this one, so we have here 3x and 9x. So I need to multiply this with 3. So I'll have 9x plus 3y equal to minus 6, right? And the other one, it will be 9x also plus 3y equal to 3. So this one, all what it will do, this will multiply any of this equation with negative to use elimination. So let's say we'll make this one negative. Okay. So, and let's do the addition. This is negative 3, negative 9, addition. 9x minus 9x, 0. 3y minus 3y is 0. So that means there is no x or y. So that means there is no solution for this one. So the answer will be no solution. Now for this third one here, I have 2x plus y equal to minus 4 and x plus 6y equal to 6. So let's make x same. So we'll multiply this equation with 2 and make addition. So we'll multiply directly with negative 2. So I have the equation 2x plus y equal to minus 4. The second one will be minus 2x minus 12y equal to minus 6. So we'll make addition. This one 0. I have negative 12y plus y. It will be minus 11y. And minus 4 minus 6 will be minus 10. So that means y has a value and x will have the value. So there will be a one solution for this one. Okay. Consider the system of the linear equation 6x minus by equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y equal to minus 7. Eliminate x. So we need to find a way to eliminate x. And then answer the following question. For what value of p, okay, we need to get the value of p, does the system have no solution? System has no solution. That means these two lines are parallel. Okay. Now here you need to eliminate x. So now let's check the coefficient of the x. Here is first equation is 6 and here is 2. So to make the coefficient same, and then when we add these two equations, x will be eliminated. So we'll multiply this equation both sides with minus 3. So here we have 6x minus py equal to 2. And here we'll multiply with negative 3. So we'll have minus 3 multiply 2x, it will be minus 6x, negative 9y equal to 21, right? We'll multiply both sides with negative 3. Now we'll do add. So 6x minus 6x equal to 0. So we eliminated x. Now here, when we have no solution, that means the lines are parallel. So that means there is no x and y because there is no intersection side or there is no solution. Okay, so that means also that y has to be eliminated also. So we'll get 0 and here it will be 23. But here there is no solutions. That meaning there is no x value or y value. So y also has to be 0. So how y will be 0? Here we have minus b and minus 9. So b has to be minus 9 because minus 9 multiplied minus, it will be 9. So 9 minus 9 will be 0 also. So b here, it has to be minus 9. Okay? Now fill in the blank. Adding a multiple of the second equation. We need to add multiple to the second equation to the first and combining like terms and 4x plus 3y equal to 17 and 5x minus y equals 7 leads to 19x equal. So here when we add, we need to add a multiple to the second equation to eliminate y because here he wants to know the 19x. So here we need to eliminate y. So let's have a look in these two equations. We have the coefficient of y is 3 and here is minus y. So we need to make the coefficient same. So when we add these two equations, y will be eliminated. So I have to multiply the second equation with 3 to get the same coefficient of y in both equations. So here we'll have 4x plus 3y equal to 17. This is the first equation. The second equation will be 15x minus 3y equal to 21. Now let's do add. So 4x plus 15x, 19x. and 19x, this is what he's asking about, and 3y minus 3y equal to 0 equals 17 plus 21, it would be 38. So the answer here will be 38 for the 19x. He didn't ask for x, he asked for 19x. Okay? Consider the system of the equations 5x plus 3y equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y equal to 4. To eliminate y, so we need to eliminate y. Here we have y 3y and the second equation minus 2y. So we need to make the coefficient same to eliminate y when we do the addition. So here, first equation will multiply by 2 to get 6y. And the second equation will multiply by 3 to get 6y also. So the first equation, so here we multiply both sides of the first equation with 2, okay, and the second equation with 3. And then add the two equations side by side. Consider the system of the equation 5x plus 3y equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y equal to 4. Here, fill in the blank to eliminate y. We need to eliminate y, so we multiply both sides. First equation by 2 and the second equation by 3, as we mentioned the first question, last question. So now we said 3 and add them side by side. Okay, so we'll have here, we need to eliminate y, so the coefficient of y is 3 here, and here is minus 2. So we need to eliminate y when we do the addition. So we need to make the coefficient same. So here we'll multiply by 2, and here we'll multiply by 3. So let's do it. So first equation will multiply by 2. So we'll have 10x plus 6y equal to 8. We multiply both sides with 2. The second one multiply by 3. So I have minus 6x minus 6y equal to 12. So now let's do the addition. 10x minus 6x equal to 4x. 6y will go to the other 6y is 0. So we have here is 20. So here number B, adding the two equations side by side and simplify yield 4x equal to 20. So now, plus we answered this question. But for your information, additional information, now let's get x. So x will be equal to 5. Okay, now once we get x, we will substitute in any of these equations to get y. So let's substitute with the second one. So we'll have minus 2 multiply 2 minus 2y equal to 4. 2 minus 2, this will be 4 minus 4. So minus 4 will go to the other side. So it will be 8. So we'll have minus 2y equal to 8. So y will be equal to minus 4. Okay? Fill in the blank with the correct number. If x plus 3y equal to 21, I have x plus 3y equal to 21. And 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y equal to 30. So then y. We need to get y. Now here I have two ways to solve this one, even to eliminate x or to eliminate y. Eliminate x and y. Then we will add the both equations to get the result. So here, as we see, we have the same coefficient here, 3y and 3y. So we can eliminate y. When I get x, I can substitute in any of these equations to get y. So here to eliminate y, I can multiply the first equation with negative sign. So it will be minus x minus 3y equal to minus 21. And the other equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 30. So let's do the addition. So minus x plus 4x, I have 3x, minus 3y plus 3y, 0. And here, minus 21 plus 30 equal to 9. So from here, I will get that x equal to 3. Now I get x, let's substitute any of this equation. So let's take the first one. I have 3 plus 3y equal to 21. 21 to the other side will be 3y equal to 18. So y will be equal to 6. So the answer here will be 6. Fill in each blank with the whole number. The solution 2. I have 3x plus 4y equal to 32 and x plus 4y equal to 24. We need to get x and y. Okay. Here, let's see. Of these two equations, I have 4y and 4y, they have the same coefficient, so we can just multiply this equation with negative sign, so it will be minus x minus 4y minus 24, and we'll make addition. So 3x minus x will be 2x, 4y minus 4y will be 0, equal to 32 minus 24, I will get 8. So from here, I will get that x equal to 4. So x equal to 4. Now we'll take any of these equations, substitute with x to get y. So let's take the second one. So I have 4 plus 4y equal to 24. 4 will go to the other side. So 4y equal to 20, which means y will be equal to 5. So the answer here is 5. Consider the linear system minus x plus y equal to 12, 3x minus y equal to 20. Fill in the blank with the whole number to eliminate x. So we need to eliminate x. Here is negative x, first equation, second is 3x. So all what I will do, I will multiply this equation with 3. And when I do the addition, x will be eliminated. Okay, so here we're saying we add 3 times the first equation to the second. Okay, this result. So let's solve it now. We'll have minus 3x plus 3y equal to 36. And the second equation will be the same, 3x minus y equal to 20. We'll make addition. Minus 3x, 3x 0. So we eliminated x. 3y minus y, it will be 2y, and this is what he asked about. And here 36 plus 20, it will be 56. So the answer here is 56. Now solving for y, so we need to solve y. So divide by 2, divide by 2, so y will be equal to 28. So y will be 28. Now substituting the value of y in the first equation, okay, so minus x plus 28 equal to 12. So here the result is minus x equal to 28, minus x plus 28 equal to 12, and give us that x 28 will go to the other side. So minus x will be equal to minus 16, negative being moved by negative, so x will be equal to 16. And answer here is 16.